You guys having fun?
Are you having fun?
We're waiting for milk to heat up.
It's thrilling. What are you talking about, Bianca? This is the best moment of my day. Hey guys, this is Siobhán
And Bianca from Chado Tea Room in LA.
and today we're making a cookie butter latte because it's all the rage right now, cookie butter flavor, and I do love a good cookie butter. So Bianca, why don't you showcase what we have? We are Vanna White.
Le Biscoff.
Yes, so they are the OG. They are the ones who, made cookie butter what it is today, this hot trend. But Trader Joe's does also make a really good alternative. It's pretty close in flavor. It's really yummy. You know what I do with this? I melt it in the microwave and then I drizzle it over ice cream.
Oh, that's sweet.
Yeah, what did you think? It's sugar.
I mean, it's delicious. But my God. So we've got our Biscoff. I tried it for you, so it's definitely Biscoff. Cookie butter. Excuse me. And then we also, at Chado Tea Room, have our proprietary masala chai, which is called the Reena's chai. Sorry.
You're okay.
Which is probably our best-selling tea that we have. It's named after our founder, and her name is Reena, so hence Reena's chai. Her mama. My mommy.
Shout out to Reena.
Yes.
What we have here is we have our burner. We've already put our whole milk in here. You can use any milk of your choice. We just went with the whole milk because it tends to be more commonly used, right?
Yeah, it's just more creamy. You can use whatever kind of milk you want, fat-free, 2%, whatever, or oat milk, whatever.
So,
but we like whole milk.
yes.
And we also have some cinnamon and some vanilla, so we're going to add all that together and make a delicious chai.
So good. All right.
And we've already got this heating up, so
do you want to go ahead and stir it? Because we will add that once this is boiling. So say your saying. I know you have your saying.
Okay, so the one thing that you guys always need to remember is when you have milk on the stove, you cannot take your eyes off the milk. Especially once it starts to get hot, don't take your eyes off of it. That's the key to making chai, because the second you take your eyes off of it, it will boil over. And it is a bitch to clean up. So.
Maybe you want to come back in like 5 minutes. So we'll see you in a little bit.
Oh my God, this expired. No, we're in 2024.
You guys having fun?
Are you having fun?
We're waiting for milk to heat up.
It's thrilling. What are you talking about, Bianca? This is the best moment of my day.
Spending time with me watching milk is still the highlight of your day.
Listen, I'm with the daughter of the man who popularized chai in the United States. It doesn't get any cooler than that.
We have a Finum filter, so this is a brand called Finum. They have these biodegradable and disposable tea bags, so you can take your loose leaf tea and put it in here, and you can just kind of fold it up and toss it into your tea. Or just like kind of hang it over the edge. So we'll show you guys that in a second.
And they are famous for tea accessories. They do not sell tea, but they sell tea accessories.
So
we're going to bring this down a little bit so we don't burn it. But I think we should drop this in first and
let it
in.
Let it.
Now, there are no measurements to this recipe. Everything's with your heart. Jesus.
Oh my.
I measured with my heart.
You certainly did.
So I'm going to turn it up really quickly for just a sec. So I'm going to whisk this in. It's going to melt in. It's going to be really nice.
Okay, I'm really excited for this. Oh, I kind of want to make this for movie night. This is like a really nice special event kind of latte. I mean, you can make it every day.
It's so simple to make.
Honestly, it seems really simple. Yeah, all we're doing is just boiling the milk, and then it's like turning brown. Honestly, if you wanted to make this decaf, you could just put the butter in the milk.
Okay.
That sounds so good.
So I'm gonna add. We're going to. I'm just mixing in stuff first.
Okay.
Yeah. So next, this is optional. It's a dash of vanilla. We like vanilla, so we are adding it.
I want to stir.
Go ahead. Stir.
Where's the... Oh, I think it's like...
It's almost melted, yeah.
That's really fast.
You want to pop the tea in?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna refer our notes here real quick.
Okay. It's gonna start to boil over.
So
I
turn it
just
off.
know it.
We turned it off.
Okay, you know what? I think probably.
Shall we agitate the tea?
Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna just remove it from the heat completely because this can happen with boiling milk.
So why don't you explain to the lovely people at home what we mean by agitate?
Basically just move the tea bag around a bit. That way it can steep. It can steep properly. And because we're just using all milk, we did put a little bit extra tea in the tea bag, just so that we can get a nice strong cup.
Yeah. So we put in about 3 to 4 tablespoons of tea. Because we do like a strong cup. We do not like it weak. Oh, I can smell the Biscoff. I wish there was such a thing as smell-o-vision because it smells so good.
What? Smell-o-vision?
Yeah. Have you ever heard someone say smell-o-vision? Smell-o-vision.
Smell-o-vision. This is Smell-o-vision with Chado.
Yeah. It would be so nice to smell this.
Okay, I'm gonna put this back on the heat.
Okay.
And we're just gonna let
It sit for like another, minute or 2?
Yeah, I'd say
Okay.
probably another minute, yeah.
Okay. So, you want to show them how the Finum filter folds over?
Yeah.
Just like that.
And then you can just let it hang.
Yeah.
Hang
So-
time.
It's not messy. It'll be easy to take out. So we're just going to let this sit for another minute and we are going to go prep our glasses. So we'll be back. I'm going to go put this in.
Nice, yeah.
Ice, baby. Dum, 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 dum. Dum, dum.
Doom. Ice, baby.
Ice, baby, take 2.
Well, we're just about done now, so we're gonna go ahead and pour it up.
Yay. All right. So I think this is off and it's still bubbling.
Yeah, it's still hot.
All right. I think you should. You left that.
What the heck?
It was on.
Why was that on?
I don't know. Great mystery of 2024.
You could have burned yourself.
I know.
Maybe that's what I wanted.
What? Okay, this channel got dark all of a sudden.
This is
Should we take the straws
not
out?
ideal.
Maybe take the straw out. Let's see. We'll try. How's it taste?
Interesting.
Oh no.
Is that bad?
I don't know. I think it's just thick.
Is it kind of like a tea milkshake vibe?
I'm getting more milkshakey vibe. Like a tea milkshake though. That's like
I like that.
I think that this is definitely way more tea milkshake than tea latte. Although you could thin it out, like if you did a little bit of water and milk,
Or just add
or just
liquid
add
chai.
more, or just add
Yeah. Chai to it.
or add more milk. Yeah. Because keep in mind that the Speculoos, or sorry, the Biscoff. My bad.
It thickens it.
It thickens it. Yes. All right.
Hey. Cute.
Cheers. Cheers. Oh, I need to stir it.
Ooh. Okay, I wish it was like even colder because I feel like it would be really nice cold. It would give you more
Yeah.
of that like milkshakey vibe.
I think we need to give it a second. Yeah, I think that what you could do is take this, pour it into a blender, and add. Oh, we didn't put cinnamon.
So because we both did it iced,
Oh,
I didn't
put
do the
that in with
cinnamon.
the hot. Yeah.
But if you were going to do it hot and you were going to have it in like a teacup or a mug, you would use the cinnamon as garnish. If you want to garnish the iced one, you can garnish it with like a little bit of whipped cream and a little bit of cinnamon sprinkled on top if you want to get a little, cutesy with it. But yeah.
You know what? I would actually add a little bit more sweetener to this. I would like it a little bit sweeter. Yeah.
Which is kind of surprising because I would have thought,
Because with the amount of Biscoff that you put in there,
yeah.
and how sweet I think it is, yeah, I would have thought so too. But this is really good. I'm actually gonna try and make this tonight for movie night.
Because, I wasn't light-handed
Mm-mm.
when I put it in there.
This is really yummy. Well, try this one at home, you guys. This one's really awesome, and stay tuned for more in the kitchen. And stay tuned for more in the kitchen with Chado.
If you make it at home, make sure to tag us. We want to see. Bye, guys. How was that, Alana, for the first Chado video?
This one was fantastic. Yeah.
No, not the camera. Us.
I thought it was a good. Okay, damn. Okay,
Oh, damn.
fine.